Are you a business owner struggling to create an office space that truly reflects your brand and boosts employee productivity? Traditional office design often feels generic and uninspiring. Cookie-cutter layouts drain creativity, while poorly planned spaces hinder collaboration and workflow. Our office interior design service transforms ordinary workspaces into extraordinary environments tailored specifically to your company's needs. We analyze your workflow, understand your brand identity, and create spaces that enhance productivity while reflecting your unique culture. Our expert designers consider lighting, acoustics, ergonomics, and technology integration to create spaces where your employees thrive. We handle everything from initial concept to final installation, ensuring a seamless transformation that minimizes disruption to your daily operations. Whether you're relocating, expanding, or simply refreshing your current space, we deliver designs that impress clients, inspire employees, and increase your bottom line. Contact us today for a free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.